Introducing Gallagher Security's Virtual Classroom, the epitome of convenience for today's busy professionals. Our virtual classroom offers all the benefits of in-classroom training right from the comfort of your own office. No need to travel to a shared training venue. With Gallagher Security's Virtual Classroom, interactive instructor-led training comes to you. You'll experience the same hands-on guidance as in a traditional classroom setting. Our Gallagher trainer skillfully monitors your progress and can access your workstation at any time should you require guided assistance, just as they could if they were in the room with you. To ensure an optimal learning experience, our virtual classroom sessions maintain small class sizes, capped at just 8 attendees. This intimate setting fosters dynamic discussions and personalised attention, maximising the benefits you gain from your interaction with our experienced trainer. The virtual classroom setting also allows you to ask the trainer in-depth questions throughout the course. Gallagher Security, the leading choice for comprehensive and convenient training solutions. Elevate your training experience with Gallagher's Virtual Classroom today.